Hello everyone, and welcome to this in-depth tutorial. In today's guide, we are going to walk through how to change your age on Discord, especially if you accidentally entered the wrong date of birth when signing up. So, if you're over 18 but Discord thinks you're underage, or if you made a simple mistake during registration, this guide will help you fix it. Let's get started. Why you can't change your birthday in the app. First, it's important to understand why you can't just go into your profile and change your birth date like other info. Discord locks your age to prevent users from easily bypassing restrictions, like joining NSFW servers or creating accounts below the age of 13. This policy is in place for user safety and to comply with legal guidelines like COPE. So, to change your birth date, you must go through a manual verification process, and this is where we'll guide you step by step. First of all, open your browser, like Chrome, Firefox, UC browser, etc. When browser was open, type on the search bar, Discord support. Before that, you need to change your browser to desktop mode. Then click Submit a request. You'll be directed to a page where you can contact Discord Trust and Safety. Here's how to fill it out. What can we help you with? From drop-down menu, you can select Appeals and Age Update Request. Now you can enter the email that's connected to your Discord account. How can we help? Choose Update My Age Information. Then enter your date of birth. Subject: write something simple like, Request to update date of birth. Description: politely explain the issue. For example, Hi Discord team. I accidentally entered the wrong date of birth when creating my account. I am over the required age and would like to request a correction. Thank you for your help. Once everything is filled out, don't forget to checklist this box. Click Submit. After submitting the form, you'll need to wait for a response from Discord's Trust and Safety team. Usually, they'll get back to you within 1 to 3 business days, though it might take longer during busy periods. Make sure to check your email inbox and spam folder regularly for a reply. If your request is approved, Discord will update your account's age to reflect your actual birthday. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully update your age on Discord the right way, through the official and secure process. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.